For this project, I'll use 1mm brass wire, 3mm copper tube with a 2mm inner hole, a ESP32C3 board, a touch switch, a wireless charging module, some mini servo. Next, the 1260 LEDs night are pink and green. Some copper wire coated with cremic insulation. Here I'm using some 56 ohm 1 watt resistor, a PCA 9685 servo driver module, a 10,000 microfarad capacitor, a 15 amp MOSFET module. First, I'll draw a circle with a radius of 3 centimeters. Mark every 1.5 centimeters along the circumference with a compass to form a hexagon. Draw a petal 6 centimeters long. Bend the brass wire along the drawn shape. Cut the copper tube into pieces of about 1.4 centimeters each. Now I'll make the petals. Remember to use a round container to bend and shape the petals. Next, solder the LED in place. You can find the schematic and notes in the description below. Each bench is about 1.5 centimeters long. Solder it onto the copper tube to create a rotating axis. Next, I need 6 pieces of brass wire, 2 centimeters each. After that, draw a hexagon with a circle of 2 cm diameter and 1.5 centimeters. This is used to make the flower's stamen. This cremic-coated copper wire is completely non-conductive. Next, you need to sand the tip to solder it. It will serve as the positive terminal. Solder these connectors onto the petals. Prepare 6 pieces of brass wire, each 1.7 centimeters long. Bend them and connect to the positive terminal of the flower's stamen. Connect the negative terminal of the stamen to the outer casing. Next, I'll continue make the leaf with about 8 centimeters long. Slightly bend it to create a natural softness. Attach the leaves to the stem by soldering. And that's it. I have finished one flower. You can also make more than 2 flowers. Now I'll use a foam board piece to make the base. Punch 2 small holes in the foam board to insert the flower stems. Use hot glue to secure it. Connect the other components. I'll provide the schematic in the description. Continue, connect the positive terminal of the leaf and run it downward. Plug it into the computer and upload the code. I have provided the code in the description. You can adjust the servo's opening and closing angel here. I'll place everything into a flower pot. Connect the battery to the charging circuit. Use white pebbles for decoration. The touch switch can work if you attach it to a pebble and touch the pebble. And that's it done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next project.